In this video, I will show you how to discover trending sound in Snapchat for viral Snapchat without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Snapchat app. After open up your Snapchat app, before you can start to record with your Snap, you can easily use any type of trending sound to make your Snapchat go viral. And for that, for you to find trending sound, go ahead and click on this icon right here, sound icon. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and slide into trending right here. Then here you go. You have available trending sound right here that you can easily use for your next start. As at the time of making this video, this is the top trending sound right here, and this sound here is by Davido. And you can make use of the sound to create your snap. For that, you can easily click on here to play the sound, and then go ahead and click on next right here. Then the sound has been imported to your snap right here, and you can start to create your snap without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Snapchat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.